Hi there, we had one of our followers asking whether it was possible to connect two JBL Tune Beams, and we'll demonstrate here how this can be done very easily. You see here a pair of two beams already functioning together, showing up in the app, in the JBL headphones app. Give it a second, there they are, left and right, well charged, so is the case. What we'll do, we'll take them out, left, right, switch them off, simply to help the process. There you go, power off. Remove them in the app, and we will also unpair them. There you go, and we take the replacement one, in this case black one, to make it clear, put them in the case, close the case, wait a few seconds, open the case, and you see the blinking in sync, which means they're already connected to each other. Give it a few seconds. There they are, asking to connect. We click connect. Wait a bit longer till they're connected to the Bluetooth. There they are. Set up. Back to the JBL headphones app. And there they are. Well connected, left and right. They show up as black, but that's the couple.